I'm Manny Raico. Pagkakabalahan ko, I'm breadwinner, tatay, contractor. Ayan. Nayaya ako, mga anak ko. Yung nagyaya sa akin yun ang pinili. Wala masyado. Siguro enjoy lang. Pinamaganda, conquering my fears. Secondly, pinaka-enjoyable ko, kasama ko yung mga anak ko. Of course, at this, advanced age ko na, it's, hindi naman rarity, but syempre, ini-enjoy ko lahat yung time ko with my kids. It's already deep, but kung ano yung hobby nila, I want to join in, of course. Niyaya nila ako and I don't want to be left out. That's the reason why. And of course, I already enjoyed it. It's a new adventure. For me, it's a new adventure. I do encourage people, even at their advanced age, on my age, with my age, to go try it. It's a new adventure, kakabuhay ulit ng espiritu. On my younger days, I was quite adventurous. Makit ako sa Nepal, I do hiking and everything. But this one is different. The fear of not breathing that long, it's a new challenge. But when you, yung hesitation is sa umpisa lang. Once you dive in, everything is gone. Everything is gone. Ako at first glance, I was hesitant. Kaya ko ba to? Can I hold my breath? Pero nung ginawa ko, oh wow, simple lang pala. Kaya ko pala. I think more challenges is there to come. Definitely. First and foremost, I'm a person not easily pleased, but with the reception and with the accommodations and with all my queries being answered, I'm a person hard to please. But this time, as you say in the water, okay.